Hello, this is Darin Martineau. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new product, which is called the Business of Professional Magic Bundle. It includes 14 magic ebooks, guides, and lists. This is a comprehensive guide on becoming a professional magician. You're going to get How to Get Pro Magic Shows ebook. You're going to get Professional Magic Tips ebook. You're going to get 10 Ways New Magicians Can Gain Experience ebook. You're going to get How to Sell Magic Shows on Airbnb ebook. You're going to get my Magic Act checklist. You're going to get 12 reasons why every restaurant should have a house magician. It's a list that I use to get professional restaurant gigs. You're going to get my Magic Routines Prep Guide list. Master Magic University ebook written by myself and my good friend Brian Smedley. You're going to get the How to Develop Style in Magic ebook. You're going to get the Cerulean System Creating Fine Art Magic ebook. You're going to get a 24 Rules of Magic by David Devant. You're going to get my Phoenix Life Transformational System on goals. You're going to get a performance agreement contract. So click on the link and get this product now. This is absolutely amazing product, and it's available now. So thank you.